Struggling to grow your hair longer and stronger? You're not alone. So many of us are on a quest for luscious locks, and it can feel like you've tried everything. But what if the secret isn't in some expensive, chemical-filled product, but right in nature's pantry? Today, we're diving deep into the world of hair oils to uncover which ones are truly the best for promoting hair growth. We'll break down the science, share some tips, and help you find the perfect oil for your hair type. Get ready to transform your hair care routine. First up, let's talk about a classic coconut oil. You've probably heard of it, and for good reason. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that can penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss from your strands. This is huge because less protein loss means less breakage and damage. When your hair isn't breaking off at the ends, it has a much better chance to grow longer. For best results, use unrefined virgin coconut oil as a pre-shampoo treatment. Gently warm it up, massage it into your scalp and through your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight hand. Then wash it out. Your hair will feel incredibly soft and be much more resilient over time. Next on our list is the liquid gold of hair care, argan oil. Hailing from Morocco, this oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids. Unlike coconut oil, argan oil has smaller molecules, which means it's more easily absorbed and won't weigh your hair down as much. This makes it fantastic for all hair types, even fine hair. It's brilliant at moisturizing the scalp, fighting dandruff, and protecting your hair from heat damage from styling tools. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth, so keeping it nourished is key. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner on damp hair or as a finishing product to tame frizz and add shine. Let's move on to a slightly lesser-known but incredibly effective option, castor oil, specifically Jamaican black castor oil. This stuff is thick, rich, and famous for its hair growth-promoting properties. It's loaded with ricinoleic acid, which helps increase circulation to the scalp. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients for your hair follicles, which can stimulate them to grow new hair. Because it's so thick, you might want to mix it with a lighter carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil, to make it easier to apply. It's perfect for targeted application on your hairline, eyebrows, or any sparse areas. A little goes a long way with this potent oil. Now, what about essential oils? These are highly concentrated plant extracts that offer amazing benefits, but they must be diluted with a carrier oil like the ones we just discussed before applying to your scalp. Peppermint oil is a star player here. Studies have shown that it can increase the number and depth of hair follicles by improving blood flow to the scalp. You'll feel a cool, tingling sensation, which is the increased circulation at work. Another fantastic one is rosemary oil. It's been compared to minoxidil, a popular hair growth treatment, for its ability to prevent hair loss and stimulate new growth. Just add a few drops of peppermint or rosemary oil to your favorite carrier oil for a supercharged hair growth treatment. So, how do you choose the right oil for you? If you have dry, damaged, or thick hair, coconut oil is a great deep conditioning treatment. If you have fine or oily hair, lightweight argan oil is your best friend for daily moisture and protection. For anyone experiencing thinning or looking for a powerful growth boost, castor oil is a must-try. And do you forget to enhance your routine with essential oils like peppermint or rosemary for that extra kick? The key is consistency. Make oiling your hair a regular part of your routine, at least once or twice a week, and you'll start to see a real difference in the health, strength, and length of your hair. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this guide helps you on your journey to healthier, longer hair. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which oil is your favorite. See you in the next video.